Hi everyone, welcome back to The Young Grower. So in this video I am going to be showing you the grow system I have for my polytunnel this year. It's my first year growing in my polytunnel and I wanted a way that was going to be simple, easy and not be so much hard work on my back throughout the year, and just make it so much easier for watering, because if you have a polytunnel or a greenhouse you know exactly what it's like when it's a boiling hot day. Try and keep those plants watered, not stress them out, and just create a simpler way. Or you just go away often and you can't get to your plot every day, then yeah, this is why I have chose to go for this grow system, because then I don't have to be here every day, or I can quickly pop down, do the chickens, go home and go away on holidays and do stuff. Normally when I grow, all my time is spent watering, caring for the plants, and it just takes up so much of your time when you could be doing something else and actually enjoying the nice weather instead of being stressed out, hot, sweaty. Yeah. So because of all those reasons, I decided to do a bit of research and just look into easier ways of growing in polytunnel. I knew from the start I did not want to do raised beds, that stuff, or planting directly in the ground, because it's just too much hard work for myself. And I wanted just to make something a lot easier. With being physically disabled, we need an easier way to grow. So I looked into it a bit more, looking at self-watering grow systems, and I discovered Greenhouse Sensation, and I reached out to them and just said that I was interested in getting some, and they did send me one kit to test out last year to see what they were like. I did not actually get around to growing in it just because of the season was ending when I received it, and I decided it would be best to wait till now. But from receiving it I could tell straight away that this was a really good quality product and I would not mind spending my money on it. So then I decided to actually invest some money into buying a lot of their stuff. So we have the Quad Grow self-watering planters, I also have the large salad self-watering planter, and I also have some of the root veg self-watering planters. I will put all the links for Greenhouse Sensations website down in the description for this video. I would just be aware that they have had a lot of customers over the last couple of months, so there is a delay in ordering stuff, and I also know quite a lot is out of stock at the moment. But hopefully you can follow me when growing in these, and then it might inspire you to get some once they are back in stock. So I'm not going to ramble on too much, let's go and have a look at them. So I haven't set any of this up yet. This is why I thought we could do a video and just look at it, how it comes, and look what it's like before we sell it all up. Yeah, there's lots of instructions, I have a lot here. It's going to be a bit overwhelming at first, I think, but I thought if I do this video showing you what I've got, I can set up some of them, and then I will leave one to do a, not how-to video, but come along and watch us set it up and just see if it's something that you want to try. So hopefully this is going to make all of our growing journeys just that little bit easier. So these are all made in the UK and made from recycled materials, what is absolutely amazing. And I think Greenhouse Sensation should have a bit of an applaud for that. I think we need more of that in this industry. Creating strong products that last years and years, and not some flimsy plastic that breaks after the sun's been at it. Yeah, that's one thing that really irritates me in this industry, is the waste. There's so much crappy one-time items when we don't need one-time items, we need lifetime items that last you a long time. So to start off with, we're going to look at the Quad Grow self-watering system. These come as a pack of 4 and they actually connect together, and what you have is a reservoir underneath that holds water for up to 12 days, and then you have your pots that sit on top of it, and then underneath you have a piece of matting that goes down through the hole into the reservoir, and then it comes up through the inside, and then you fill the soil around it. Yeah, and that is what waters your plants and keeps the compost nice and moist. And then you also can purchase mulch caps to go on top to stop weeds growing, and also to help retain the moisture, and it comes with hose for canes, what is absolutely perfect. You can top it up here, and they also have some extra reservoirs you can buy to connect to them, and water butts to extend the watering time. So just down here there is a hole, and on the other side, and that is how you connect the two quad grows together. They can't just be grown separately, they have to be connected together. That's how the system works. Yeah, you connect them together with lots of different bits, and then you top up the water from there, or if you connect a water butt, you can do it via the water butt. Let's give you a quick look at how that system works. I'm going to quickly read to you the description from Greenhouse Sensation, just to give you a bit of a more idea what these could do for you and why I have chosen them. Grow a bumper harvest of tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, other tall cropping plants with the eco-friendly Quad Grow self-watering planters. Keep your plants automatically watered for up to 14 days by reusing water as it constantly feeds your plants. This self-watering plant pot is a perfect way to become self-sufficient, as it is easy to grow your own fresh fruit and veg for your whole family. Harvests are 2 times bigger when grown in Quad Grow self-watering planters compared with grow bags and pots. And it also got these NutriGrow award-winning feeds with the system. I am not too sure if I'm personally going to use this, only because I grow organically and I'm not 100% sure if they are organic. Either way, it's still some cool feeds that quite a lot of you will benefit from. We'll do some videos later actually setting one of them up. I think I'll set one up, see how I get on, because once they're set up, we have all of these here. Yeah, there's another 8 of them for 16 plants. Was absolutely brilliant. So now we are on to the Quad Grow root veg self-watering planter. Yeah, and that's these. So as it says in the name, these are to grow root veg, but they come as a set like this, and you have 4 pots that sit on top of a reservoir, and the same sort of thing happens, and the mat goes up through it and waters the pots, and then there's your reservoir, and it just sits on top, and then your pots just go on top like that. The planters have 4 pots, each containing a feed mat which pulls water from the smart reservoir up into the pots, slowly watering, maintaining perfect soil moisture, no risk of soggy, rotten veg, and you raise bigger harvests of better tasting veg. But yeah, I don't think there is too much to say about these systems. I'm going to try some sweet potatoes maybe in these, some carrots, some other root veg, I'm not too sure what. I know I've got some cool Afghan purple carrots from the Heritage Seed Library, as well as some other cool heritage seeds to sow, so I think I will do some in here this year. So now that that system's shown to you, we will go over and look at the salad grow. This is a very long one. Do a smaller one that is half the size of this. This is 105 centimeters by 55 centimeters, I believe. But I thought we would just get one to try out now and see how it does. And the plan is to actually put this up here. At the moment it's full of all my seeds, and I'm gonna move this shelf to above the dahlias, so I have it just inside the door. That way it'll be a lot easier to harvest for myself. I haven't got to bend down, and yeah, it's going to be just inside the door and not so hot. But how this works, it's very similar to all the other systems. You have a big reservoir at the bottom, and then you have the shelf that goes on top of it with the hose in. Then you place the planter on top, and as you can see, as the hose, and then you put these mats in, they come up, and then you fill it with your compost, just like in this diagram. So it all comes with really good instructions, and you can also buy lids for it to go on, and then that is the small one that is 55 centimeters square. One thing I love about all these products, they are made in England with recyclable materials, and they are very eco-friendly. So now I'm just going to read you the quick description of this salad planter off Greenhouse Sensation website. Plant grow stronger, healthier and faster. Never have wilted lettuce again, thanks to this superb planter that keeps plants perfectly watered even when you're on holiday. So this one works exactly the same as all the other planters, where you put the mats in, where it pulls water from the bottom straight up into the planters, keeping that soil moist and not letting it dry out. You can use the planter on a raised platform for easier access, and of course you can go on holiday safely with the knowledge that your plants are going to be perfectly safe and well watered. Perfect for salad leaves, herbs, radishes, cabbages, chard, leeks, garlic and even more. So that is all the Quad Grow systems shown to you. So I did also forget that I bought a grow bag drip and click water system. That one actually connects up to that water butt over there. And the plan is to use them for my sweet potatoes this year. So it makes it a lot easier to water. That's what I'm hoping anyway. Wow, it is so hot in that polytunnel. Ooh, let's come out here to get a bit of fresh air. I can't wait to see how they get on and see what we harvest. It's going to be interesting, fun. So before I start boring you, I'm going to end this video here. Yeah, and we'll catch up later on. Hopefully it'll be a bit cooler and we can get into the polytunnel and actually do something. It's that hot and that bright, I can't even see the camera. So that is it from me here at the Young Grower. I hope this video has brought you a bit of an inspiration or just shown you what I'm going to be growing this year. We have lots to set up, what yeah, I'm going to start doing now. I've just started to bring all my tomatoes to the allotment, so yeah, it's about time I get things set up. So thank you for watching and we'll see each other soon.